Turmeric, a spice with a rich history in traditional medicine, contains the potent compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Due to these properties, turmeric is considered a valuable ingredient for promoting health and well-being. Research indicates that adding turmeric to your diet can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to alleviate arthritis symptoms, aid in digestion, and improve brain function. Studies have also suggested that turmeric can have a positive impact on mood. By incorporating turmeric into your daily meals, you can easily enhance your overall health and well-being.